Hi folks, Miss T here. Today, well, I haven't posted anything for ages. Must be a couple of months. Today and probably the rest of this week, I'm going to start making some Athena pens, which I bought some kits from Taylor Mirfield, and they're going to be made from a Model T Ford WheelSpoke. Now I do a few of these. I've done quite a few before. This particular one is probably one of the best I've got, as opposed to these are some of the worst ones which you get, and that particular one is full of woodworm and cracks, but I dare say we can turn it down to get something out of it. Covered in paint, some of them, and not only wheel spokes, not only pens, but some key fobs, maybe some letter opener handles, bottle tops, all sold under Model T Ford wheel spoke pens, or products I should say, and come with a certificate of authenticity. So I will be getting on with this later on, possibly later on today, certainly tomorrow, and we'll post it up as soon as it's finished. Right, now I've cut the little end off where the original wheel spoke goes into the original rim, and I've mounted it between marked centres, and these spokes are oval, and I'm going to take the lump off the end, get it round, and then we can drill and fit the sleeves, trim it down, and turn the turn the paint. I've turned it round as if the camera can pick it up. Even on the best looking wheel spokes, we've got some woodworm damage here. Just three little holes there. I thought I saw another one up here somewhere, but maybe it's not. So what we need to do now is take that off the lathe, take it back up to the studio, and measure the length of the tubes plus a bit, and then later on we'll cut them off, and then later on we'll drill it out and glue the tubes in. Right, now we've turned it round, mounted it in the chuck, and we're going to drill the as near as centre as I can get it. There's a slight taper on these things. I haven't really got the taper out, but we'll start off with just a little centre in it, just to give the drill a start. quite hard, this stuff, so. And of course this one needs a bigger drill. This kit.
And she has a condition called epidermolysis bullosa, also known as EB. It is mostly a fatal condition. In the case of Tia, it is a fatal condition. And what it is how best to describe it? It's a skin condition that causes constant pain because there's unstoppable internal pain under the skin and unstoppable externally as well. So when she was born, she didn't have skin on her legs and feet and part of her hands, and basically her skin can tear at any point, apparently even holding a pencil.
Quite central, that is it. This wood is quite hard actually, this hickory. I'm sure why it's wobbling like that. These are a lot of them. Right, we seem to have got the wobble out of that now just by slightly moving it around in the chuck. A little bit there still, but this stuff doesn't. This hickory, I've always found it chips or dusts a lot. So it's quite. Now I've made a little sleeve up because my barrel trimmer, I don't have the right size shaft for it, so I've made a little sleeve out of an old pen blank which I was going to use, which I can use to trim shaft down. That's it, that's trimmed down to the
in some ways that makes it even worse because it could be one of a number and then it's down to people.
one, hickory WheelSpoke. This is the second one. The first one had that woodworm in it, but I think we've dealt with that. We'll be dealing with that in a minute or two. But there's one, and this is my special very hard crystalline wax stick. This is the finish I put on all my pens. Friction polish, by the way. I love to mix up my own bits and pieces. And there we are, ready to be assembled.